Why do they do that? I'm moving forward to get away from you. I'm moving forward to get away from you. F*** off. Okay, I need to explain what just happened there. Little Citroen went round the roundabout in the wrong lane, took the wrong exit. Man in van beat it, little Citroen, took the roundabout in the wrong lane, took the wrong exit. So, welcome to Bristol. Welcome to Bristol.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Red lights. Oh, mama! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Okay, so it is a little mix today. Remember them. If you hear it before 4, text music to 82122. You could be the owner of £5,000.
There's one for tomorrow.
Is he just parked there? Yeah, isn't he? Oh, what an idiot! What an idiot! Yeah, he looks like an idiot, doesn't he? Hello! Are we gonna drive or are we just gonna... whatever that is? Out! 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 Say, drive, Maisie Moo. Maisie Moo, say, drive. Drive your car. I nearly killed a cyclist earlier. Yeah. I was not stopping at all. I refused to stop for him.
Why?
Because he pulled out on me on a roundabout. I was like, no, I'm going to kill you. And then I shouted at him. And he called me a nutter. The f*** is wrong with you, you prick?
Get on, you fucking nutcase!
Wow! Wow, calls me a nutcase. Cyclists of Bristol, boys and girls. For anyone wondering why I don't like them that much and I actively discourage against cyclists, that is the reason. Right there, that's the reason. Really? Really? That's weird, man. You pull out, see a car, stop, and then do it all over again.
Did Craig get anything with the carrot on it?
Carrots?
What for you?
Papa.
He could have died. He was
Papa.
inches away from.
Papa.
He was inches away from.
Papa.
Inches away
Papa.
from death. He was inches away from death, man. Ah! Alex, you join me. Can we get some clapping sound effects, please? Clapping sound effects, thank you. A man who can, or a man who can't. Can't park. Forward, backwards, forward, backwards, forward, backwards, forward, backwards. fuck is your problem, you knobhead? You didn't just try and undertake me, did you, a minute ago? Because I think you did, didn't you? That, boys and girls, is what we call special. That's what we call special. What a prick. Just for the record, you little knobhead, if you're watching this, what did I do wrong? If by some chance you're seeing this, yeah, let me know in the comments what the f I did wrong to deserve that, because I got no idea. I'm literally just driving down the road, you got on my ass and then started flapping like a fucking bird. What is your problem? Why did you get pissy at me? Is my question. If anyone else knows as well, let me know in the comments, because I am properly confused. That's like the typical mentality of people in Bristol. You drive down the road and they get pissed at you for no reason. Literally no reason. It might have been because he tried undertaking me and I didn't let him or something. I was turning the corner while he tried undertaking me. And he might have got pissy about that. I don't know. Ooh, look at that. Ooh.
Wanna know what love is?
That was pretty smexy. Okay. It gets to the point where I just can't be bothered to pick on Audis, because it's just, they're everywhere. They're all knobheads. I just can't be bothered today. Can't be bothered. Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair. Good luck. Fuck it. Ooh la la! Ooh la la! Thank you very much for speeding up. Thank you very, very, very much. Sorry. I'm so sorry. No sympathy whatsoever, mind. Benji has no regard for pedestrians that can't use a crossing properly. Considering the crossing was right next to them, they should have used it. If they can't, then, yeah, savage Benji, savage. Fuck them. Gonna speed up or not? You're not, are you? I didn't think you would, you prick. Now, if I could make it through in my beastie thing, how come that tiny little car couldn't get through? Huh? Or more to the point, if you can't get through a gap, or you think you can't get through a gap, then you stop, don't you? You don't just jump on the curb. I'm not sure if that's right or not. I don't know. It's been a while since I passed my test. Maybe you're allowed to jump on the curb now. Here's a challenge for you. Let me know when you see the 30 signs, because the speed limit changes up here. Let me know when you see it. The one on the road, gone. The one in the bushes, just about visible. Cut the fucking trees down. Why am I moaning? Because it's been like that for months and they've done nothing about it. So, yeah, there you go. Public service announcement thing. Why do people drive with their mirrors folded in, man? I don't understand. Because you got to get in your car, realise that you're... At what point do you, like, realise your mirrors are not working? Do they even bother using them? I don't think they do they? People like that, they just don't use their mirrors. That's my theory. Fine. 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 Just a quick note from Editing Benji. I'm in a good mood today, so if you liked it, go ahead and leave a like. If you've got something to say, leave a comment. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. If you want to be like a really, really hardcore super fan, come and join us on Patreon. Otherwise, I will see you, hopefully, next Wednesday.